So Ali, we've had a very long season from January till now. We are in end of March. We've played so many games. What have you learned? What has been your experience?
My experience has been good depending on the teams I've played. We've played more experienced teams and I've got to learn how the strikers move during the game. You know, it's better playing with people who are playing in a higher league so that you can be physical and so that you can learn more things. So I think this preseason has helped me in fact because I've got to know that many trainers about what is my problem that told me what I should improve and what I should avoid.
This season you scored a very wonderful penalty. The one you scored with Lloyd, and the season is about to begin. So what is your target for the season? Are you expecting more goals from Ali, or what is the position?
My target for this season, according to the game, first we want to beat the title. Then I've set my target that I have to, because I defend, I have to keep 18 clean sheets, and I should score 5 goals. So there are more goals coming.
There are more goals coming. And in the team, we have new players who have joined this season. They are new players. How have you seen their intermingling with the team? Are they connected with the team, or what is your say?
They've connected well. I think this team has a lot of love. So if you're a new player, you come to this team, I think it takes you a little time to mingle with the players, because we show love to every player that comes. We don't segregate players.
And